How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. In order to find and remove copied messages on WhatsApp, simply you need to launch WhatsApp application and then head towards the main screen of WhatsApp. Make sure you have logged in. Now proceed to the particular chat where you want to find and remove the copied messages of. Now tap or you can easily long press on particular message and tap the three dots at top right. Here you can tap on copy and suppose this message has been copied. To find and remove it, you can tap on message bar at bottom and tap on the four dots at top left of this keyboard. Here you can see the clipboard. Select that and recently here you have copied the message. Long press on it and tap on delete. With this we have successfully find and remove copied messages on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.